Hi ladies and gentlemen, let's look at some replacement track from fat frog scale models again. Since I did the review on the 48th scale Tiger 1 replacement track, they have sent me a few more versions of different replacement track for different tanks. First of all, we have the replacement track for the Japanese Type 95 tank by Finemolds. First of all, the detail of the tracks is really nice and sharp. And here again, all I need to do is to break the tracks from the build plate of the 3D print, which is very easy. Here I speed up the process. And then I just clip the links together with a tweezer. Here I forgot to put them against a hard surface. So when you guys assemble these track links, make sure you use a hard surface and use the tweezer to press the links together. And it's very easy and simple. Here I speed up the video again so that you guys don't get bored by it, doing the same action over and over again. And here you can see how easy it is to assemble this set of track links. It's really nicely designed for ease of assembly. I finish a short length of this track in no time. So here is a length of track for the Japanese Type 95 tank, and it replaces the one in the Finemolds kit. And the second one is the replacement track for Type 97, which can replace the track for the Tamiya kit and the Finemolds kit. Again, I speed up the video because it's a repeat action. And then I start clipping the track links together. And you can skip to 6 minutes and 13 seconds to view the complete of this length of tracks. I just happen to have the kid's track, and you can see the difference between the two. The next sample that they sent me is the replacement track for M18. Now this is a popular item, and you can see the kind of details that they have put into this replacement track. And this will replace the Academy one, the AFV Club ones, and it's also designed to replace the future release Tamiya M18 Hellcat. And again, this set of track is easy to assemble. Here, once again, when you find the trick to put them together, it's become really easy and simple to clip them together. Here you can see I put them together with so much ease. Once again, once you find the trick, it's easy to clip the tracks together. And the track is really flexible, and the movement is very smooth. And this set is 1/35 scale replacement for Panzer III. Once again, I break the tracking out from the build plate. No cutter nor nipper is required. In no time, I have taken all the tracks out from the build plates, and it's time to clip them together. once again, when you get the hang of it, it's quite easy and enjoyable. Once I get used to it, it's really easy and fast, clipping them together. Excuse my English again. And here you can look at the fine detail they have put into these tracks. And the movement is so smooth. And then this set is also Panzer III, but it's in 1/48th scale. And the assembly of the tracks is exactly the same as the 1/35th scale ones. It's a bit smaller. But putting them together is just as easy and just as simple. And you can see it's no different from assembly the larger 1/35th scale ones. And the detail is exactly the same as the 1/35th scale ones. And you can really tell the difference between the two. And then lastly, we have the 1/35th scale Tiger 1 tracks. Once again, cleaning up the gates is very simple. And here I use a file to file the gates clean. And it's really simple and easy because the gates falls into places where it cannot be seen once the tracks are clipped together. And again, assembling these tracks is very simple and easy. And they clip together real smoothly without any complication. When I put them together in no time. And I think it's much better than the pin system. And they say if you like putting tiny things into tiny voids, they also come up with a version that you pin them together. But personally, I think this is much easier and quicker by clicking them together. And here's a short length of the tracks being put together. And you can see they move very smoothly. Definitely the details are much nicer than the injection ones. Okay, that concludes my review of all the different tracks for different tanks from Fred Frog scale models. And they are available from Hobby Easy. Again, I will put the link down below. And they will come up with more variants for different tanks and different scales. Once again, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.